So, you changed your Wi-Fi and now your Ring doorbell has basically said, you know what? I quit. No live view, no motion alerts, no notifications, just silence like it's giving you the cold shoulder. Don't worry, this happens all the time after changing your router, Wi-Fi password, or internet provider, and the fix is usually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reconnect it without spending the next hour pressing random buttons. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Before we begin, make sure your phone is already connected to the new Wi-Fi network you want your Ring doorbell to use, because this helps the setup work properly. Also, stay close to both your Ring doorbell and your router during setup, since weak signal strength can sometimes interrupt the connection. Keeping your phone near the device also helps the app detect it more reliably. Now open the Ring app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Then go to Devices and select your Ring doorbell so you can access its settings. Once you are inside, open Device Health because this is where Ring stores connection details and lets you update Wi-Fi settings. Look for the option that says Change Wi-Fi Network and tap it to begin. If you do not see that option, tap Reconnect to Wi-Fi instead, because some models show a different option for reconnecting. When the app tells you to move closer, go near your Ring doorbell and press the setup button or orange button depending on your model. Wait until you see the white light spinning around the doorbell because this means the device is now in setup mode and ready to reconnect. After that, the app will show a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select the correct network you want to connect to. If your Wi-Fi name does not appear, tap Show All Networks and check again. Once you find it, carefully type the Wi-Fi password and tap Continue. Take your time here, because even one small mistake in the password can stop the connection from working. Now give the setup a moment to finish and avoid closing the app during this process, because interrupting it can sometimes cause the connection to fail. Once everything is complete, go back to the Ring app and check if the device now shows online. You should also quickly test live view or motion alerts to confirm everything is working normally again. Before moving to the next fix, I've added links to my recommended products in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. If your Ring doorbell still refuses to connect after entering the password, first type the password again carefully and retry because a small mistake is one of the most common reasons this happens. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, try connecting to the 2.4 GHz network instead, because some Ring models connect more reliably on that band and may struggle during setup on 5 GHz. If the connection still fails, restart your router because temporary network glitches can sometimes stop devices from reconnecting properly after a Wi-Fi change. Unplug the router from power for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, wait for the internet to fully reconnect, and then try the setup again. If it still does not work, restart your phone and repeat the connection process from the beginning because temporary app or phone issues can sometimes interrupt setup. If the Ring setup Wi-Fi does not show up, press the setup button again until the white light starts spinning, wait a few seconds, and refresh your Wi-Fi list. If it still doesn't appear, try using another phone, as this can sometimes fix phone-related connection issues. If your Ring doorbell stays offline after changing your router or internet provider, open the app, tap Reconnect to Wi-Fi, and go through the setup again using your new network details. Also, if you have more than one Ring device, remember that each one usually needs to be reconnected separately after a Wi-Fi change. That's it for this video on how to change the Wi-Fi on your Ring doorbell. I hope this step-by-step troubleshooting guide helps you get your Ring doorbell back online and working properly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If one of these methods got your Ring doorbell back online, or you are still stuck on one of the steps, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.